Vito Coffee House, we've been here since January of 2010. We are located in West Winnipeg.
There you go, Sarah.
A lot of our customers, we know them by name. That's why I think we've been successful. We've had good people working in here that are very friendly and outgoing, and as a result of that, we have loyal customers. The restaurant business, you operate off tight margins. Our catering business that we would do with businesses all went out the window, right? And then all of a sudden now they told us we can't be open to have serve customers, and you're kind of going, oh my God, like how are we gonna get through this thing? I walked and delivered to every single house our takeout menu and the fact that we were offering free citywide delivery.
Everybody wants to be a macho man.
As we started doing these goofy videos, I think we had over 125 videos that we did. And this was every genre, so I was doing like Bruno Mars, man. I was doing some country tunes, some ACD, we did everything. Celine Dion, like, you know, it was ridiculous. Failure's not an option, and it wasn't. So we weren't gonna fail. No matter what happened, we were not gonna fail.
But I am super excited to tell you that you have been awarded $10,000 in Canada Life.
For real?
For real.
Really? You're kidding me, right?
You know, more often than not, you get a kick in the guts than you do a pat on the back. And it was so nice to kind of be helped off the floor, dusted off, and pat on the back, and it was great. It was outstanding. The experience that COVID has taught us all is the appreciation for little things like saying hello and making people laugh. And honestly, I love this city. And the people that live here and the people that frequent our place, sorry, I'm getting emotional now, but thank you.